Continuing with Fortnite, Poseidon. This guy looks goofy. Like, is it actually supposed to be Poseidon? There's another Fortnite skin that looks like this. I've never played Fortnite. I think I played it once, so forgive me if I don't know what I'm talking about. But I can draw it. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hip pose, if I go too fast. So, eyes. Circles, two of them. One smaller than the other, which is kind of what makes them look a bit goofy. So you got this circle there, and then a bit of a bigger one here. Like, not too much bigger, but like just enough to be noticeable. And then we'll add highlights, so a white circle. And you color black. Right, so his head is like this circular blob with a crown. So there's an arrow pointing down right here in between the eyes. And then the orange part of the face sort of comes around from here. And then around the eyes this way, right? Curves around. Then we got like a little blob or something there, and then a circle there. And like a smiley mouth. So then this crown is kind of like floating just on top of his head, right? So it comes up the side to these kind of spikes on the edge here. And then this goes back around. Like so. And then it's like an arrow pointing up here. The reverse of that. So that's pointing down, this is pointing up. And then it has like a strap or something on the head here, like part of the crown sort of just on the back of his head. And there's like a purple jewel in the middle, so like a diamond shape. And then these have like edge lines to them, so like little lines that make them look a bit 3D. So you just trace around your objects with these sorts of lines. Okay, that just makes everything look a little bit more three-dimensional. So his head and then his necklace and stuff. So he's got this blob head. So he's kind of leaning that way. And then his shoulder sort of goes that way. And he's got like this necklace here. So I'll just start that. He's got a little fish on it. And then this shoulder goes this way. So I'll keep this necklace going. So there's like little eyes on these fish and stuff. Just get the general shapes and then add some like details to it. They kind of look like this, and like a big purple eye or something. And then stuff down here, another eye, just little details, like a purple gem or something on this. And then we keep going to the next one, like another little fish here. Okay, that kind of thing. Right, anatomy now. So the central line of his chest is like slightly to the left because his body's kind of tilted. Pretty big, buff sort of chest muscles there. And this will go just like that way. And then he has what look like fins on his shoulders here. They're kind of round. Right, like that. Going down there. And then his bicep and side body. So say like side body just coming down here. And then bicep into there. Tricep, kind of bumpy sort of situation there. And then his forearm goes off my page down there. He seems to have another fin or something here. And then there's like a little start of a wristband or something there. So then his side body here comes down. He's got this goofy belt, and I had to give myself enough room to draw that belt because it's hilarious. Bicep here, forearm comes down. And we can see a bit more of the wristband here on this. Just a bit. Right, so then there's like a little fish face here. It reminds me of something like a cartoon from when I was a kid, but I can't quite put my finger on it. And he has a crown. Like little fins or something here. Oh no, you know what it reminds me of? The fish in that Disney movie, Luca. That's what it reminds me of. That's funny. And then his belt is like here. Go watch Luca and you'll know exactly what I mean. He farms these fish that look just like that. It's got like utility belt with all stuff hanging off it here. And then there's like just details on these. Got spikes and stuff, spirals and different colors down there. I don't think he has abs per se, but Give him like a bodybuilder sort of abdominal sort of thing. Boom, boom, boom. This chest a bit bigger, I think. Poseidon from Fortnite. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.